do the dinosaur.
So this is a dinosaur money box.
Yeah, so the open it.
Do you want to save money?
Yeah, money.
So you're going to paint it, aren't you?
Yeah. The paints are not dry yet.
Yeah, so be careful, it's very sensitive. Would you like my help?
We need to do the upside down thing.
Yeah, let me do it for you.
On the upside down.
Right, so there we go. So
Yeah, I can see it down here.
that's where you take the money out after it's filled up.
Yep.
So you leave that in.
So we can take it all out when we shake it.
Yeah.
I can see the dinosaur tail and it got a hole inside.
Yeah.
I can see a face.
Yeah.
I can see a chest.
That's where you put the money in, don't you?
Yeah, but it got
A hole
a hole.
for the money.
And it got a circle hole here. And this is a rectangle.
Yeah. So what colour are you going to paint the dinosaur?
It got yellow and red.
Yellow.
All the way here.
Yeah. Are you going to paint his whole body purple?
Yep. And pink.
You can do his face pink.
Yeah, the rainbow.
You can do a rainbow.
Yeah, we're doing pink, purple, green, yellow, and orange. I just did the two. And about he put a whole purple, anyway, a rainbow.
Are you going to use this to save money for the new year?
Yeah,
When you get pocket money?
yeah. Did I took my dad money?
It's going to be a very cute dinosaur.
Yep.
Going to be fancy. Fancy
Yeah.
dinosaur, purple.
Yep. So the molds are drying. And we got a red one, we did that. We did the moles, and now we're doing the dinosaur on the inside.
It's okay.
So we can... Now we do pick here, all the way to the groove.
Yeah.
This way. My bubbles told me.
Yeah.
He did tell me that. So Joseph got this, and he got a chest here, he got a hole here,
Yeah.
and he could put his money inside.
Really?
Yeah, because he's a liar. Now he's my brother. So I'm getting more pink.
Pink.
Put it here. And I get in trouble. I got in trouble.
It's okay. Don't worry.
We are doing great, and when do he is. Boys and girls, look at my dinosaur.
Can we see it?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it up the top.
Yeah. Careful.
Made of glass.
So you've got yellow legs,
Yeah.
purple body,
Yeah.
and a pinky blue face.
Yeah.
Good job, Savannah. You did a great job.
And orange.
Orange.
That's orange.
Yeah.
That's orange leg and yellow eyes.
Yellow eyes, yeah.
Yeah, it's my favourite dinosaur. Wow, come on, have your money and put it in the
You
dinosaur.
got my money.
Yeah. Bye, Mika. I'll see you next time.